Hey YouTubers, and welcome back to Tony the Technician's channel. And today we're going to be going into these lights sent to me by a company called BRINGLED, and they've been around almost 10 years and they've just been specializing in indoor lights. At least these are their indoor lights, and it's great for large areas, whether it's inside your house, in your garage, a warehouse, anything like that. And if you guys watched my garage renovation video, you guys might know that I already installed the long LED light bars, and then I also replaced the standard bulbs with 100-watt replacement LED bulbs that are 1600 lumens. Well, these are going to be 80-watt bulbs, and they are a color of 6000 and 8000 lumens, so very bright compared to the 1600 lumens bulbs that I already have in there. And the great thing about this is, since they're called deformable lamps, each one of these wings can rotate 90 degrees, so you can angle them exactly where you want. So this is going to be their updated one, and this is their old version. It's the same thing, minus this one. The new version does not come with the motion sensor, where the old version does. Because the sensor was so sensitive, any shadows or anything on the other sides of walls and stuff was causing the lights to turn on, so they discontinued the sensor until they can get a better sensor. Excuse me. And they replaced it with the non-sensor version. So same light, just this one has a built-in sensor, but it has an on-off switch, so you don't have to run it anyways. So that's what I'll be doing. But like I said, it's 80-watt radar or sensor. No, the voltage and the color, and then some of the information. I'll just use one of them. Like I said, 8000 lumens, 3.8 times brighter LED, no tools required. It's simple, as simple as screwing in a light bulb. It's your standard E26 socket, and that's it. So I'm going to install these in the garage and see how much brighter they are, but I'm going to go ahead and open it up and show it to you. So it will come in with instructions, just in case you've never screwed in a light bulb before. They make it very simple. So it's packaged pretty nicely. And the great thing about this is it does come with a 2-year warranty, and then you can also purchase a 4-year protection warranty on top of it through Amazon. Here's a close-up look of that information. 50,000 hours as far as lifetime. And this is going to be a daylight white LED. I don't like yellow in the garage. I want things to be as bright and white as possible. It just makes working a little bit easier. But as you can see, each fin is aluminum, and it's got heat fins on it to dissipate the heat so they don't overheat. And then it's got the plastic housing that screws in, and it's all stainless steel wiring as well, stainless steel braided wiring. And I think it's over 200 LEDs in this thing. So I'll go ahead and pull out the other one just to show you the sensor. And they do have different wattages or color temperatures and stuff like that, and they're going to range anywhere from roughly $30 to $50. So not bad for well, you get a 2-year warranty on it, so if it goes out before then, you can replace it for free. And it's supposed to have 50,000 hours, so that can be a very long time. So same light system and everything. The only difference is this one has an on-off switch right here. If you leave it off, the sensor is off, and then on would cause it, to use the motion sensor. So we're going to go ahead and get these installed, but we'll take a quick look. Shut my shop lights off, and these are just the standard LED bulbs at 1600 lumens each. And then I also installed these lights, and I know it's kind of hard on camera to do light videos because the camera tends to adjust to them, but we'll kind of look at the garage without the new lights installed, and then we'll install these new lights now. Okay, so the new lights are installed, and I tell you what, it's a much brighter, whiter light than even the LEDs that I had in there. Now the thing that's nice is those 90-degree arms, and you can angle whichever way you want, straight down, kind of out at an angle. I kind of angled a couple of mine directly towards the engine bay and interior of the car, so you can really see well when working. And I tell you what, these things are really bright. So they had that aluminum housing around the lights themselves for heat, and stainless steel wiring, really good. Seems well built, heavy duty, really easy to install. Like I said, simple, no installation, modifications or anything necessary. You just screw it in like a normal light bulb. Now I'll go ahead and turn on my shop lights. And you can already tell the yellow versus the white. And I tell you what, it's really bright in here. I don't know how well the camera is picking it up, but very bright. I really like it. We will do, like I said before, a lifetime kind of test on it, and I will keep doing updates on them, maybe in a couple months and then a year, just so you guys know. But they will be linked down in the description for you guys. 2-year warranty, $30 to $50 depending on the lumens that you want and color and all of that. But I think it's a pretty good deal. I would definitely do it, especially if you're working a lot in your garage. And just remember that these aren't just for garages. They're good for everywhere. These specific ones are not for outdoors though, so just keep that in mind. Thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know what you guys think, and I'll see you guys in the next one.